I don't think it was one person in particular. I mean, I've been a fan of so many people, but I don't think one person in particular. I think it was just, I was getting a lot of offers and it was just something I wanted to try. That's pretty much it.
Before asking, Katrina se पूछने से पहले I'll just say, Salman, I love your watch.
Ban है, इस segment में ban है, इस segment में सवाल.
I love your watch or your work?
Work.
Watch. I love his watch.
I love your watch.
हाँ, कटरीना से सवाल ये है कि आप अपने आप को 10-20 years down the line कहाँ देखते हैं? Where do you see yourself?
I see myself. Don't worry. I see myself still working, and I see myself, being very much into, into sports. Into sports, into fitness, because you don't get so much time now. So I know that is one thing I would like to do. No, seriously, I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea where I see myself in 2 years' time, much less after 10 years. I don't know. I think for me, life has been a very strange journey. It's taken me to places that I never thought I would go. So I really don't know I don't know what tomorrow holds, much less next year. And if you tell him once more you like his watch, he'll probably give it to you.
I would have actually given it to you, but...
Oh.
But what?
You gave it to him.
He is telling such a lie. I did give him a watch once. And he gave it away the next day. And then he went and bought a new one to try and tell me it was the same one.
No, then I swapped it again. No, it's the same watch.
Katrina, film industry join करने से पहले, when you were not in the film industry, I mean, how did you adopt to the song and dance routine? आपको क्या?
पेड़ों के पीछे भागना.
आजकल नहीं होता वो. Boss, industry is something else only now, यार. आजकल पानी से निकलते सब लोग.
Bikini पहन के.
हाँ, bikini पहन के. हाँ, ठीक.
Try करो कभी.
Before I joined the industry or after?
After.
After, no?
Film industry में जाने के बाद.
I mean, after she joined the film industry.
How did I adjust?
Before that, when you saw song and dance in our industry, how did you feel?
Okay. I thought it was great. I've always loved dancing. When I was growing up, I didn't see so many Hindi films. That's true. But I used to only watch musicals. I don't know if you've ever seen any movie with Gene Kelly or Fred Astaire. Basically the old musicals, even before I think Hindi cinema started. And that's all my mom would allow me to watch. We weren't allowed to watch any, movies that had anything violence or, anything which is a little bit bad. So I think I've always liked musicals. So I right away, I think it was easy for me.
आप कुछ पूछोगे? सारे सवाल इस segment में क्या?
No, ऐसा अभी Salman के लिए.
नहीं.
Your first crush.
That's sweet. मुझे भी सुनना है.
हाँ, सब.
Actually, I don't know really what meaning of crush is, but there was
Like when you were in school and some guy.
I know. There was one person who was in a class.
सोच समझ के जवाब देना.
There was one person who was in a class much older than me, and like you said, it's just a crush. They walk by and you're like, please notice me, and just to put your mind at rest, they never noticed me, and they never looked at me, and it was that. I think I must have been about 14 or something. I was a very good little girl.
आपके हिसाब से बॉलीवुड में सबसे सेक्सी आदमी कौन?
I knew you were gonna ask that.
Okay, name 3 then if you like.
Can I not name 3? That'll be worse.
Okay, the sexiest one.
Can you ask him that question first? Then according to his answer, I'll give an answer. Ask him. So ask
For
him
him,
first.
the sexiest girl.
For me, the sexiest is Salman Khan.
Sexiest girl.
She asked you that question.
No, but she asked you first. She changed her mind. Sexiest girl.
Female and then female.
Don't know about sexy, but I think the sweetest the nicest girl
It's Preeti Zinta.
is Preeti Zinta.
Okay, but see, now he's changed the question. So I'll also say, I don't know about sexy, I don't know about nice. I mean, I don't know about sexy, I don't know about good looking.
वो तो थोड़ा सा word sexy ना वो थोड़ा सा एक double meaning का हो जाता है तो you know, I mean I would name 5, 6, but then it's
Please go ahead.
I think everybody's sexy. Yeah, I think everybody's beautiful. I mean that hot. पहले ऐसे कहते थे you're so hot. तो अपने पे आया तो ठीक है लेकिन जो अपने बहनों और गर्लफ्रेंड्स के बारे में तो
लेकिन उनका बड़ा स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन है आपसे, बहुत स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन.
I can't. I'm sorry.
Very diplomatic.
Salman, can you just say that "Ooh ma," you said it on Nas of Nagna.
उइमा
वक्त नहीं, हम अपने आखिरी हिस्से में आ गए इस प्रोग्राम के. हम जब वापस आएंगे तो ब्रेक के बीच में हम लोग तय करेंगे कि इस प्रोग्राम को एंड कैसे करेंगे, कुछ आइडियाज एक्सचेंज करेंगे, इसलिए आप लोग इंतजार करिए. और आप जितने लोग यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं इनके लिए आखिरी मौका है आपके लिए इस प्रोग्राम में सवाल पूछने का. तो मैं देखना चाहता हूँ कितने सारे हाथ खड़े होते. हम वापस आते हैं एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद. हमें इंडिया रॉक्स के आखिरी हिस्से में मेरे साथ है सलमान खान और कैटरीना कैफ. और आप लोगों के पास ये आखिरी मौका है सवाल पूछने का, इसलिए मैं टॉस करूं. मेरे पास सिक्का नहीं है, मैं टॉस करूं किस किस को मौका दूं पूछने का. जोर से आवाज सुनाई नहीं पड़ती. वहां से आप बहुत देर से आ रहे हैं. हाँ आऊंगा, इधर आऊंगा. हाँ आप पूछिए.
आपने कुछ मूवीज करी हैं अभी, तो who's your favorite co-star? You know, who brings in a lot of energy in you?
But it's a fact. It is a
I
fact.
think since Salman said Preeti Zinta is his favorite co-star, I think I can also say Akshay Kumar.